Hello friends, welcome to the daily answer writing practice. Guys, today I have taken questions from the daily practice sheet of 7th of September. These two questions I have picked up today because both of the questions are of similar nature, and these two questions I have picked from an article in the newspaper where it says that India is now the second in the rank of the number of startups created in the year 2022. It has basically surpassed China. So after US, India has the largest number of unicorns. And you know that the Bangalore city it mentions is having the rank 6th in the world. 6th rank in the world in terms of unicorns and startups. And San Francisco has the rank 1 in terms of number of unicorns. So in that context, I have framed a geography question. Why is San Francisco the startup capital of the world? This is a question. And the second question is, discuss the locational factors responsible for success of Bangalore as the startup hub of India. So both of the questions are similar nature. Both are a kind of geography question where you have to basically talk about the locational factors. Let us try to write an answer. So here also what you can do, you can start the answer using the context. You can say that according to recent report, San Francisco produced the largest number of unicorn startups. Therefore, it is also called as startup capital of the world. There are multiple factors responsible for it. These are: first, you must recognize that startup, these things are mostly from a knowledge economy. So skilled workers or skilled entrepreneurs is a must for this. So we all know that in any locational factors, workers are very important. Workers play a very important role. Raw materials play a very important role. Finance plays a very important role. So in this context, let us see what are the factors which are responsible for San Francisco being successful as far as startup capital of the world is concerned. So first reason is the worker or talent. So you all know that because of the Stanford University located here provides a pool of talented entrepreneurs and workers for the startups. Second, what you can say, that research and development. Here also Stanford University has played an important role, as many startups were research projects in the university. Example, Google. Third, see, we all know that for any business, okay, finance plays a very important role. Okay, so you can say that venture capitalist, because of availability of venture capitalists in this region, startups find access to easy finance, which is very important. See, fourth point what you can write is that, see, there is a term in geography, economic geography, which is basically called aggregation. Okay, so what happens is that there is economies of aggregation. Okay. Generally what happens is that, okay, all companies of the same nature, they try to basically come and set up in the same location because a lot of synergies between them, and obviously the availability of workforce. Okay, so generally similar companies tend to, okay, aggregate in one location. This is also responsible for California to become the startup hub. See, what happens that once Oracle, IBM, Google came up, then because of presence of these companies, more new companies started there itself. Okay, that is also a very important factor. And there are some other factors also, which is like government policies, tax breaks, okay, and land availability. Okay, so these are also some of the factors why basically California or that region, okay, is called the startup capital of the world. Okay, so you can just end up here. You can just to sum up, it is the availability of trained and skilled workforce along with venture capitalist, which has made San Francisco as startup capital of the world. So thank you friends, this was the question and this is the answer to the question. Okay, I hope you like the answer. Here you can also draw diagrams. Okay, diagrams. So what you can do is that you can write like locational factors. You can draw a diagram in that page and you can show through this also. Okay, that workforce, okay, tax breaks, research and development, okay, weather. Okay, so you can draw this diagram also if you feel like. Okay, so let us write the second question. The second question is why Bangalore is the startup hub. Okay, the second question is why Bangalore is the startup hub of India? The answer would be the same, okay, because most of the factors, okay, which were responsible for San Francisco being the startup hub of the world are the same kind of factors here also. You see, okay, if we can draw a diagram, let me just use this diagram format, okay, locational factors, okay. First will be what? Pool of engineers. Second will be what? Climate. See, people like to work in a climate which is, okay, good for the health, and also this type of climate is good for various kinds of electronic industries, okay. So climate is also very important reason why Bangalore became the startup hub and the IT hub of India, okay. Climate is also a very important reason. Then you see government policies, okay. You must be surprised that Bangalore was the first city to come up with an IT policy, okay. Here I would like to ask you, can you name that person who was responsible for this IT policy? If yes, please comment in the comment box, okay. Next you see research and development, okay, because see, Bangalore was known for research and development. You see ISS, Indian School of Sciences, then we see ISRO, then we see in Bangalore we see Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. Okay, so research and development, okay, is a very important component of startups, okay. They basically produce various technologies, okay, various research and development which help in startups, okay. And here from people also who are in research and development, they also come out with new ideas and they make new companies, okay. So this is a very important part. Then we can say the venture capitalist, okay, people who have themselves started companies long back and they made money, they invest in some new companies, new ideas. So availability of venture capitalists is also one of the reason of basically Bangalore becoming a successful startup hub. And last but not the least is the cosmopolitan culture and the work culture. Guys, I can tell you from my own experience, okay, I have been to Bangalore. Bangalore is one of the great cities where you get people of like cosmopolitan culture is there. People from every nook and corner of the country, they stay there, they work there. So that also attracts people to Bangalore. You will not face any problem in Bangalore because of any kind of thing, because people from various cultures, they live there. So that also attracts people. So these are the reasons. This answer I have not written completely. Why? Because I have already written this answer, okay, and all these are the points which we have to write here. So this I have drawn a diagram to explain you. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, if you like this initiative of answer writing, and please like the video. Many of you are watching but not liking the video, and please suggest improvements so that I can come out and I can help you more. Guys, I want every one of you who is watching this answer writing initiative to become a master of answer writing. Guys, in UPSC I can tell you, okay, content is important, but more important is ability to present your content in the examination hall, and that comes through practice. The more and more we practice, we will become a master of answer writing. Guys, today I have shared this answer writing approach of drawing diagrams as far as location of industries are concerned. So always whenever you get location of industries, always draw this diagram, okay. Just a brief knowledge I would like to give you, that any location, okay, any location of industry, the factors are what? Raw material, okay, then market, then workers, then climate, then geography, and you can include government decisions also. government policies also. Okay, so any question comes on location of industry, be it steel industry, be it cotton industry, be it any industry, raw material, market, worker, climate, geography, and government policies. So this template you can use for all the questions coming on the section of location of industries. Okay, so please note down this framework. This is basically, this will help you in writing answers. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.